Let's take a close look at the Rill Leaderboard. The leaderboard is this really cool combination of, it is a bar chart, but it's also a table. If I have the period comparison selected, I will have the value of the bar, but also how much it's changed since the previous period, and also the percentage to the comparison period. And I can sort by any of those. So it's a very nice interactive widget in its own right. And it's not just a leaderboard, but it's a leaderboard for every dimension in the model. So I can quickly do things like, if I'm looking at a spike in one of the metrics, I can see the biggest contributors to that spike, the biggest changes as well, really quickly. So it's a very powerful part of the interface. Now, the first thing we'll cover just in this video is, if you like, selecting the measures and dimensions and the time ranges that are going to drive this analysis. So down the left hand side, I have the measures available, and I can, for instance, switch some off or switch some on. And then I have the range of dimensions as well. Although you can look at everything at once, sometimes you do want a bit of a more focused view, but you can have as much of this selected as you like, and you can reorder them as you like as well. You can move those around in the display. And then all of this is going to be updating according to the time range and the comparison period you select at the top. So that's how you set up the Explorer to begin with, and then you are presented with this view where for any selected metric, you can look at how that is impacted by any of the dimensions. And there's a few other options available here as well, and we'll cover those in the following videos.